Alright, so I'm at the end of, I think this is 41st Avenue. I could be wrong, really wrong. I don't know where this is. Skyview Mall, right at the end of public waterfront. Number of trees 34, number of benches 13. Yeah, so building department made this area public for sure. Look at this right above us. Look at that. It encompasses one mall and two, 4 to 6 high-end luxury condo buildings. Enjoy your commuter noise. I don't know who wants to be here, but okay. But this is a tiny area, and construction's already happening on the other side for another commercial project. And you call this waterfront? I don't know. You tell me what this is. Been always curious about what this public waterfront is about, and since I have some time today, I might as well do a little exploration. So it comes around this warehouse area where they unload all the stuff for all these big companies, Best Buy, Target, BJ's, Marshall. Please tell me where the waterfront is. I mean, maybe if you go further up, if you're tall enough, you will see the waterfront. Yes. I don't know how tall you have to be, but at least higher than this fence right here. Okay. Maybe they're right. I'm getting through this area. Now, if you walk up, I can smell the sewage sludge. Oh, I wish you were here, because you're gonna suffer just like me. Let's get further away from that, because that thing just smelled like rotten egg. It's nicely paved too, because so it's new. It's got security camera up there. It's got these LED lights, light post. Oh boy. And that's Skyview Mall's obligation to the city. Open up a public area so you can watch traffic. This is I-678 Whitestone Expressway. I think if I have time, I have better parks to look at. And now you can jump over this and sneak up the tower to this is the Roosevelt Avenue overpass. You supposedly can I can't even leave this way because this side is blocked off. Okay, that's a security guard right there. And so you have to come back out the way you came. Okay. I'm tired. I'm actually quite tired of this. What is this? I mean, guys, what is this? The bright side is that the pavement is actually nice, and these light lamp posts and all these furnishing okay. But I can't say much about the view unless you're a whale fanner, which I had heard a lot of you guys are. You get to watch the 7 train going into the station, one after another. That smell comes back again. I'm gonna sign off now. I hope you enjoyed this video. So, if you would like to see more New York City exploration, and particularly in my neighborhood of northeastern Queens, please subscribe and drop a like, leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.